understand where you come from. It's still hypocrite, but me understand. Both of them are your friend. Whether one right or not, you still no one look like you pick no side. Or you go under one your side and not go. So you try stay neutral. You know want to say too much and you don't want to do too much. Me understand that I may explain that to the people them already. Me over the whole of that.
So you make never father a party, bro?
I not forward at the party because them tell me say me can't hold in a cabana. I'm just change my mind.
Who tell that?
Ramesh say the cabana can't hold. TJ tell me say I'm gonna come for me. Him say I'm and Jaydenn, me say me and Jaydenn have nothing, everything good. TJ say I'm gonna come for me. But here but in my box shop for him say ask Ramesh if the cabana can't hold. When he ask Ramesh tell me say it can't hold, it go full. So I say alright then my jam.
So you ask Ramesh, you call Ramesh and ask him.
You're deaf.
Something wrong.
No, it can't hold. See that? No, it can't hold. A Jaydenn and TJ a share cabana. A 15 of them in there and a one W for all. I don't know what that means. So
what TJ tell him?
Jaydenn, where you quiz me for? What the purpose of this?
No, I'm going to ask her, what TJ tell him?
Where you try establish from this? Where you try get from this? Listen to me. No, listen to me. Yeah, listen to me.
Come here, big.
Yeah, man, run the match. Run the match if you run the match. But listen to me. If you ask me questions, I want to get the understanding of your question. Because you quiz me, I'm going to know where you say. Where you say. Where you try get at. What are you trying to get? What are you saying? Because you're asking me these questions, but I don't know what these questions are about. What are these questions for?
No, because I tell you say something full.
Yeah. Yeah. Me have the message. Me have it.
Well, to my knowledge still, you see, let me tell you, it did full when me did in there. But see, cause me go over Swiss Park, it never full. You see. So probably that's why Daddy tell us said full.
Word. So me book a cabana last year, and when me cover the cabana, over 30 people in there, and me don't know none of them. Even when them clear out my cabana, you deaf? You not listen. Oh, last year me book a cabana when me reach the party, over 30 people in my cabana.